Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this quick video, I'll show you a simple and effective way to hide any folder using PowerShell in Windows 11. This method also works on Windows 10. It's not just the usual hidden items checkbox, but a more detailed method. Many users believe that checking or unchecking the hidden items box in File Explorer is enough to secure a hidden folder. But the truth is, that method can easily be reversed by anyone with basic knowledge of Windows. That's why I'm going to teach you a more advanced and effective method using PowerShell and the Attrib command. This method helps you hide folders in a way that is difficult for most users to detect, even with the Show Hidden Items option enabled in Folder Options. This simple method will be useful if you're working on a shared computer or want to hide private or sensitive files. Whatever the reason, we'll walk you through the process step by step. Okay, let's get started. Open the location of the folder you want to hide before running any commands. Or for example, let's assume the folder is located on drive D and the folder you want to hide is named New. To simplify the command, we'll open PowerShell directly from the folder's location. Hold down the Shift key on your keyboard, right-click in an empty space, and from the context menu, click Open PowerShell window here. This will open PowerShell with the current folder pre-selected. This way, you don't need to type the entire folder path when running the command. Now I'll enter the Attrib command to hide the folder, which is called New. Enter the command syntax as it appears on the screen. Replace folder name with the actual folder name, and press Enter to execute the command. I'll explain the Attrib command briefly. Attrib is a command line tool that changes the attributes of a file or folder. Attrib plus S adds the system attribute, which allows Windows to treat it as a system folder. Attrib plus H adds the hidden attribute, which hides the folder. Then, type the name of the folder you want to hide. This command will change the folder attributes so that Windows considers it a protected system folder. Protected system folders are hidden by default and cannot be unhidden by normal methods. I'll also hide the folder named Work Now. If the folder name contains spaces, type it between quotation marks as it appears on the screen. Type the same command syntax, but enclose the folder name between quotation marks, and press Enter to execute the command. Once executed, the folder will be hidden immediately. Now, even if you open Folder Options and select Show Hidden Files and Folders, the folder that we hid in this way will not appear, because hiding the folder in this way made Windows see that they are protected system folders, which are hidden by default. And if you want to show the folder again, all you have to do is remove these attributes, then enter the command again, this time with -S and -H. Once the command runs, the folder will be visible again. You can also show the new folder you've hidden with the same command, and once you run it, the folder will reappear. That's all for today's video. We've learned how to hide and unhide folders in Windows 11 using PowerShell and the powerful attribute command. This method is much more secure than simply hiding a folder via the GUI, as it uses the system attribute, which most users don't use. It's ideal for protecting sensitive files or even for keeping files clean and private. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more useful PowerShell and Windows tips. And leave a comment if you like and if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.